In this video, I'll show you how you can disable the pop-up blocker on your Google Chrome. What you want to do is you want to go to Google, click up here, go to Site Settings. From in here, you want to scroll down until you find pop-ups right here. You want to make sure this is on Allow. Then after that, what you want to do is click on Privacy and Security, go to Site Settings. On here, scroll down until you find pop-ups. And from in here, you want to press here, sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once you've done these two things, you will no longer get the pop-up block thing. And whenever there's a pop-up, it will just immediately go instead of you get the blocker where you need to enable it. So that's basically how it works. It's really simple. And obviously, if you don't want any pop-ups to be allowed anymore, you can just turn it off again. And then there will be the warning for the pop-ups again. So that's basically how you can disable the pop-up blocker. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.